One of the main questions I get asked as an influencer is, how do you make money? So in this video, I wanted to break down all the ways I earn income as a creator and someone who runs a social media based business. This is going to be a fun one, but before we dive in, I wanted to give you something I put together to answer one of the most common questions I get in my comments. Can you guess what it is? Natalie, will you audit my Instagram account for me? And as much as I'd love to do it for everyone, I'd have no time for anything else if I did that. So I took my secret auditing formula and put it together in a free document for you so that I can teach you how to do it for yourself. This way, you're not only receiving the audit, but you're learning the process behind it, so you can keep that in mind as you continue growing and evolving your account. The link to get that is below this video. So pause the video right now and go and grab it, and then we'll jump into the video. I'll wait here. Okay, so first up is online courses. I know for some of you, online courses might seem cliche, but the education industry is one of the fastest growing industries and is projected to surpass $336 billion by 2026. That just goes to show that people are moving away from traditional education methods and adopting modern ways of learning like online courses and watching YouTube videos just like this one. And the beauty of this industry is that there is literally a course for anything. Learning piano, gymnastics training, authentic Indian cooking. If you have a unique talent or skill, chances are you can create an online course and help people. At Boss Babe, we have created two signature courses. The first is Influencer School, where we teach people how to build a career in the creator economy, grow an audience, and monetize their personal brand. The second is Online Launch School, which we like to call the senior year of Influencer School. In this program, we teach people how to use the power of online launches to create massive cash injections in their business. These courses are the foundation of our business at Boss Babe and not only have allowed us to grow our business to where it is today, but it's also allowed us to help thousands and thousands of women build the career and life of their dreams. With that said, the best courses are the ones that provide a transformation and help people go from point A to point B, whether that's changing their physique or learning a skill that helps them build their career. If you can really help someone through a transformation, then chances are you have a successful course idea. Next on the list is memberships. Similar to online courses, an online membership is a way to serve a specific group of people. Where courses are mainly focused on teaching a skill, memberships are focused on creating community. At Boss Babe, we have the Society, which is the #1 place for ambitious women to connect, build, and grow. From a business perspective, memberships are great for one main reason: MRR. This stands for monthly recurring revenue. In other words, whereas selling a course or a physical product like merch only happens once with a membership, you earn income every month from the members who subscribe. This is really great because you're able to have a baseline of revenue every single month that you can depend on. There are so many great examples of really successful memberships. For example, if you're a fitness coach, you could have a monthly membership for people that really want to subscribe to weekly workouts and meal plans. Or if you're into meditation, you could create a membership where you provide daily guided meditations and breathwork exercises. My best advice for you if you are interested in creating a membership is to do some research in your niche and see what kind of memberships already exist out there. Next, let's chat about how most people assume influencers make money, which is brand deals. Now, if you are not familiar with what a brand deal is, it's the paid collaboration between a creator and a brand. The brand pays the influencer money in exchange for promotion of their product or service. Brands do this for two main reasons. They either want to get exposure or they want to get sales. Influencer marketing has completely exploded over the last 5 years, and for many brands, it's the main way they market their products and services. This is a really great thing for people who want to make a living creating content for social media, because it means that there are endless opportunities and thousands of brands that want to partner with creators of all sizes. For me personally, I limit the amount of brand deals I do simply because I mainly use social media to promote my own business and to support my audience through the programs we provide at Boss Babe. But I do take on brand deals periodically with specific brands who I feel really aligned with. Whether you're just getting started or already really established, brand deals are a great way to monetize your brand, but I would say that I think it should be considered a secondary source of income after creating something else like an online course, a coaching program, or a physical product. This is because you're going to have a lot more stability and scalability in selling your own product versus promoting someone else's. This leads me to my next revenue source, and that is affiliate deals. Affiliate deals are really similar to brand deals, but the main difference is that where a brand deal pays you you upfront for creating content to promote the brand, an affiliate deal pays you a percentage of each sale of the brand's product. For example, if you have a beauty channel on YouTube and you make a video using and promoting a makeup product, then you also include a link in the description to that product, you'll get a percentage of the sale for every person who buys that product through the link. One of the amazing things about affiliate deals is that they can be a great source of passive income. Going back to that example of the beauty channel, once that video is created, that creator can be making affiliate revenue month on month on month for the sales that come in through the affiliate link. The flip side to affiliate deals though is that it's generally a volume game. So if you're a new creator with a smaller audience, I wouldn't plan to quit your job just through affiliate marketing, but it is definitely something that can make you a substantial amount of income over time as you grow your audience. Similar to brand deals, we're really selective of the affiliates we choose to work with, but we do have a select few companies that we love to promote. For example, we work with Soul CBD and have affiliate links and promotions on all of our podcasts and the Boss Babe website, and I include them in some of my YouTube videos with an affiliate link that people can click on to go check out their products. To summarize, brand deals and affiliate deals are a great secondary form of revenue, in my opinion, over selling your own products and services. They are also much more impactful in terms of revenue when you have a larger audience. This is simply because brands will pay more to larger creators as they will be able to reach a lot more potential customers. As far as affiliate deals go, the more people you have watching your content, the more affiliate sales you're going to make. Like I said, I think these are both great ways to make money as an influencer, but I wouldn't depend on them as your sole source of income, especially in the beginning. Finally, let's chat about ad revenue. One of the amazing things about making content on YouTube is that YouTube actually pays you to post videos. If you're not familiar with how ad revenue works, every time a YouTube shows an ad in a video, it pays the creator a percentage of ad revenue. The more views you get, the more ad revenue you earn. There are so many YouTube creators out there who've been able to replace their income internally through YouTube ad revenue, which is incredible because that basically means they get paid to make videos for a living. This is also starting to happen on other platforms, and Instagram even announced that it'll be paying $1 billion to creators to post reels. I currently get paid for every single reel view that I have. So if there was ever a reason to start creating more reels, now is the time. To sum it up for you guys, there are so many different ways to make money on social media, and I really hope that this video has shown you that this is a real thing. You can make money and build a career as a creator on social media, and you don't have to be Kim Kardashian to do so. When I first got started, I focused on building one revenue stream at a time, and I really suggest you do the same. Don't try to do absolutely everything at once because you will most likely get really overwhelmed, burn out, and find that your focus is so distracted. Instead, focus on one strategy and get that working and build from there. If you are curious about how to get started monetizing your social media, firstly, you don't need a massive audience to do so. Secondly, I really suggest you go and download my Instagram audit. It's really going to help break down the process for growing your account and how you can position yourself to go full-time as a creator. I'm so grateful to you for watching this video. If you have not liked this video and subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it. It supports this channel and helps to grow this incredible community. And if you want to learn more about how you can step up your game on Instagram, I really suggest you check out my video on the top performing Instagram trends, which you can find here. I'll see you next time.